secrets of the national parks, hidden spots you won't believe are real. The vast wilderness of America's national parks is like a canvas painted with the broad strokes of nature's most vibrant colors. But within these brushstrokes lie subtler shades and contours, the hidden spots known to only a few. These are the secrets that seasoned RVers, those intrepid souls who carry their homes on their backs, share in hushed tones as they gather under starlit skies. If you're one of those who yearn for the road less traveled, who sees an RV as more than a vehicle but as a vessel for adventure, this is for you. We're not just talking about sightseeing, we're talking about soul-seeing. These hidden gems will not only fill your camera roll but also fulfill your wanderlust in ways you never expected. The Valley of 10,000 Smokes, Alaska. Far from the usual Alaskan trails, the Valley of 10,000 Smokes in Katmai National Park offers a landscape so alien, you might think you've stepped onto another planet. Once filled with fumaroles spewing volcanic smoke, it's now a dramatic valley of ash and silence. This is the spot for those who seek the thrill of the unknown, and the only footprints you're likely to find in the volcanic ash might just be your own. Fiery Furnace, Arches National Park, Utah. Forget the postcard perfect delicate arch for a moment and let's talk about the Fiery Furnace. This labyrinth of sandstone canyons is a natural maze that beckons the brave. It's a place where you can spend hours exploring without seeing another soul, letting you play Indiana Jones in your backyard. The kids will love the adventure, and let's face it, so will you. Hidden Lake, Glacier National Park, Montana. Imagine a lake so brilliantly blue it rivals the Montana sky. Hidden Lake is a gem tucked away behind Logan Pass, a treasure at the end of a hike where mountain goats are your only companions. This is where you picnic as eagles soar above and the glacial waters whisper ancient secrets. It's a reminder that the best things in life don't come easy, but oh, are they worth it? The Green Room, Channel Islands National Park, California. On Santa Cruz Island, there's a sea cave known as the Green Room, where the sunlight filters in to create an emerald glow on the water. It's only accessible by kayak and only at low tide, making it a rare spectacle you can plan your whole trip around. When you're there, paddling in the ethereal light, you'll feel like you've discovered the heart of the ocean itself. Tri Tortugas National Park, Florida. 70 miles west of Key West lies a fortress abandoned to the sea. Tri Tortugas National Park is accessible only by boat or seaplane, and it's the sort of place that makes you believe in magic. Snorkel in waters teeming with life, explore the halls of Fort Jefferson, and camp under the stars. Here, your family's story becomes part of the fabric of history. Wonder and responsibility. These secret spots offer unparalleled wonder, but they also come with a responsibility. As RV owners and nature lovers, it's on us to protect these treasures. We practice leave no trace principles not just because it's right, but because it ensures that these secrets will be there for the next traveler to discover, for the next child to learn from, and for the next story to be born. A journey into the heart of the parks. The hidden spots of America's national parks are real, waiting silently for those with the curiosity to seek them out and the respect to keep them pristine. As you venture into these uncharted territories, remember that it's not just about the destination, it's about the transformation that occurs along the way. So, pack up the RV, gather the family, and set off on a journey into the heart of the parks. There's a world out there that's waiting to be discovered, and it's calling your name. In this article, we've painted a picture of the lesser-known yet breathtakingly beautiful locales tucked away in the nation's most revered natural spaces. It's a guide for the wanderers, the families, and the furry companions who accompany us on our journeys, urging them to look beyond the guidebooks and discover the wonders that lie hidden just off the beaten path.